What is the Kaaba?
Who built the Kaaba?
Why do Muslims circle the Kaaba?
Is there a deeper reason behind this act? Do they have any answers?
Every year, millions of Muslims from around the world embark on a spiritual journey to Mecca, the heart of Islam. At the center of this journey lies the Kaaba, a sacred structure draped in black, surrounded by worshippers performing tawaf, the act of circling it 7 times. But here's a question that often sparks curiosity. Do Muslims worship the Kaaba? Let's set the record straight. The truth about the Kaaba is not an object of worship. Muslims worship only Allah, the creator of the heavens and the earth. The Kaaba serves as the Qibla, a unifying direction for prayer. Whether you're in New York, Nairobi, or Jakarta, every Muslim faces the Kaaba during their daily prayers. This is rooted in the Quran, Surah Al-Baqarah 2:144, where Allah commands, "Turn your face toward the sacred mosque." The Kaaba is a sacred house of worship, a symbol of unity, but it holds no divine power. In fact, you can even pray inside the Kaaba. It's simply a place of devotion. But why circle the Kaaba? The act of tawaf is more than just a ritual. It's a profound reflection of the universe's natural order. From the tiniest electrons orbiting a nucleus to planets revolving around stars and galaxies circling black holes, everything in creation moves in harmony around a central point. When Muslims circle the Kaaba, they mirror this cosmic pattern, reminding themselves of their place in Allah's creation and their submission to His will. What does the Quran say? In Surah Al-Hajj 22:18, Allah says, "Do you not see that to Allah prostrates whoever is in the heavens and whoever is on the earth, the sun, the moon, the stars, the mountains, the trees, the moving creatures, and many of the people?" This prostration isn't just physical, it's a universal submission to Allah's divine order. Just as the cosmos follows a perfect pattern, so do Muslims when they perform tawaf. The Kaaba, a center of unity and science. Did you know the Kaaba is believed to align with the Earth's golden ratio? Scientific research suggests that the Kaaba's location holds unique geometric significance, making it a focal point not just spiritually, but also mathematically. Additionally, some studies propose that Mecca is the center of the Earth's landmass, a fascinating intersection of faith and science. The Kaaba and other scriptures. The Kaaba's significance isn't limited to Islam. In the Bible, Mecca is referred to as Baka or Becca, a place of pilgrimage and praise. Psalms 84:6 says, "As they pass through the valley of Baka, they make it a place of springs. The autumn rains also cover it with pools." This description perfectly matches Mecca, a dry valley blessed with the Zamzam spring, a symbol of Allah's mercy. The Kaaba is not just a structure, it's a symbol of unity, a reminder of our connection to Allah and the universe. It's a focal point that brings millions together, transcending borders, cultures, and languages. So the next time someone asks, "Do Muslims worship the Kaaba?" you'll know the answer. It's not about the Kaaba, it's about what it represents. Thank you, and don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more insights. And let us know in the comments.